Hello, welcome to Tile Coach. I'm Isaac Ostrom. Thanks for checking out this video. So today I came in to do this small powder room floor, and there was still linoleum down on the floor. And when we took up the linoleum, here's the old linoleum. They were 12 by 12 squares, and you could see most of the adhesive stayed down on the floor, and that's this black stuff. I believe they call it cutback adhesive, but it's a bond breaker. You cannot tile directly to it because it's kind of like an oily asphalt base, and mortar will just come right off of it. So I called my Laticrete representative and said, what can we do here? I do not want to grind this floor. That would be messy, it would be a pain in the butt, probably kind of toxic too. So he said just to use this Prime-N-Bond. So this is Laticrete's Prime-N-Bond. It's a product that you can just roll on, let it dry, and then install the tile right over it. So let's get started. So the directions say just to stir it up real good, and instead of stirring it, I just shook it real good because I've used this primer before. The thing about it is it has some aggregate in it. It has some fine particles. I don't know if there's sand, some kind of silica or something. So it needs to be stirred up real good, and I just gave it a good shake for about a minute. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my roller. I'm going to dump a little bit out and spread it around. So I just got my little weenie roller here, and I'm going to go ahead and just spread this around. There's no minimum thickness on it. You just get a good coat, and that's all it takes. And I made sure to vacuum up the floor really well. Okay, so I got the Prime-N-Bond down. Here you can see the thickness that I got it with the nap roller. Not real thick, you can actually still see some of the black coming through it, but that should be good. That should give me a good coat. So I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to go out, set up my saw, get everything set up, give this time to dry so I can start setting some tile on it. It's a real rough, almost sandpapery surface. It dries really fast. So again, thank you for being with me today. If you need help on your project, if you got questions, you need advice on your project, go to tilecoach.com, sign up for the team membership where you can get all your questions answered. Thanks again for being here. Good luck with your project, and I love you. I love being your tile coach, and we'll see you on the next video.